My dear viewers, New Year is going to begin tomorrow. We all know that. We are all aware that. It's my duty to wish you, one and all. I would like to begin a Zen story, two ascetics story. Ascetics are sages. They follow strict celibacy. They vow. And they have to cross a river. The river was swelling then. There was a young girl who was desperate to cross the river. One of the ascetics did not want to look at her, let alone touch her. The other one carried her in his arms, handed her over safely, that is, dropped her safely across the river. And the girl thanked the second ascetic and left. Then they walked. They were under the shade of a tree. There, the first ascetic questioned, "Hello, what you did was wrong. How could you, an ascetic, swan, hold a woman like that?" The other one was astonished on hearing this. He said, "I only did my duty. I forgot all about her. You are still carrying her in your head." Similarly, this 2024 we witnessed ups and downs. We saw ups and downs. A brief about the world, India, of course, Tamil Nadu. Two wars continue still. Russia versus Ukraine, Israel versus Palestine. But what we did was we imported crude oil from Russia and exported as a petroleum products to European Union, and we benefited eventually. So, amid disasters, calamities such as Bengal flood, hurricane aside, strike at Samsung plan, after Vijay's political plunge, Kallakurichi huge tragedy, Uge's winning against Ding Liren, the Chinese. Why? Yesterday, Koneir Hambi becoming world rapid chess champion. We accomplished a lot. In my opinion, 2 days we shouldn't celebrate. One, yesterday. Two, tomorrow. Today we have to celebrate. It will precede new beginnings. Wish you a happy new year with abundant good fortune, health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you.